In the last episode, you watched me create art in 5 hours and 50 hours. If you haven't seen that video yet, go watch it first. Then come back. Does it matter for this video? Not really, I just want more views. Anyways, let's get started. Now for 500-hour project, I have saved something truly special. A place I have visited twice as a child and it left mark on me. It is the Kailash temple of Ellora caves. But instead of talking about this place, I need to show you why it is so special. So we are heading there ourselves to capture every single detail. Hey, get out, get out, get out. We still have to go how much? Oh, we still have to go 11 kilometers. And after an hour, we reached this magnificent place. This temple is carved from a single rock, making this place one of the ancient monolithical structures in the world. And as you walk through this corridor, you don't only see this beautiful architecture, but you feel the devotion carved into every single stone. My job is to gather bunch of images and videos for reference. You see, this roof will take around 10 hours and this too will take around 30 hours and 50 hours minimum. I guess it's time we should head back home. Little by little, it began to take shape. I know it isn't perfect because no recreation can truly capture the sheer perfection of the original. Every pillar tells a story. Every carving reflects a belief. This temple does not belong only to the past. It belongs to everyone who seeks meaning. And I present to you the Kailash temple of Ellora.